The human brain. It's a source of endless fascination. We marvel at its capabilities, we ponder its mysteries. One persistent myth claims we only use 10% of it. What if we could unlock the remaining 90%? What wonders might we achieve? This essay delves into this intriguing, albeit false, notion. We'll journey through the brain's intricate workings, we'll debunk the 10% myth, we'll explore what happens as we hypothetically increase brain usage. Prepare to be amazed by the brain's true potential. The 10% brain myth is shrouded in mystery. Its origins are unclear. One theory points to misinterpretations of early brain research. Scientists discovered that only a small percentage of neurons fire at any given time. This finding, however, doesn't mean the rest are inactive. Modern neuroscience paints a different picture. Brain imaging techniques like fMRI show us the truth. The brain is always active. Even during sleep, all parts hum with activity. Every region has a role to play. No area lies dormant, waiting to be unlocked. Imagine our brains operating at 20%. Would we suddenly become superhuman multitaskers? The truth is, our brains are already masters of multitasking. They juggle countless processes simultaneously. Consider this. You're walking, talking, and breathing, all while your brain regulates your heartbeat, digestion, and body temperature. This requires the coordinated effort of multiple brain regions. Increasing brain usage wouldn't magically grant us extra hands or enhance our ability to juggle more tasks concurrently. Let's push the hypothetical further. What if we could access 30%, 40%, or even 50% of our brain power? Would we develop telekinesis? Would we unlock the secrets of the universe? The reality is, these percentages are arbitrary and meaningless in the context of brain function. The brain doesn't work like a car engine, where increasing fuel input directly translates to higher output. It's a complex network where every part contributes to the whole. Section 5. The limits of imagination. 60% to 90%. Confronting the brain's efficiency. As we venture into the realm of 60% to 90% brain usage, we enter the realm of science fiction. The idea that we only use a small fraction of our brain's capacity is a myth that has been perpetuated for years. In reality, our brains are active almost all the time, even when we are at rest or asleep. Would we develop psychic abilities? The notion of unlocking hidden powers like telekinesis or mind reading is fascinating, but it remains firmly in the domain of fantasy. Our current understanding of neuroscience does not support the existence of such abilities. Would we transcend the limitations of space and time? The human brain, while incredibly powerful, is still bound by the physical laws of the universe. Concepts like time travel or bending space-time are intriguing, but they are beyond the capabilities of our biological brains. Our brains, while remarkable, are bound by the laws of physics and biology. The intricate network of neurons and synapses operates within the constraints of our physical bodies. This doesn't diminish the brain's capabilities, but rather highlights its efficiency. They've evolved over millennia to be incredibly efficient. Through natural selection, our brains have developed to optimize energy use and processing power. This evolutionary process has fine-tuned our cognitive abilities to suit our needs as a species. Every neuron, every synapse serves a purpose. The brain's architecture is a testament to its efficiency. Each connection and pathway has a role in our thoughts, actions, and memories. This complex system allows us to perform a vast array of tasks seamlessly. There's no hidden reservoir of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. The idea that we could suddenly access a greater percentage of our brain and unlock extraordinary abilities is a misconception. Instead, we should appreciate the incredible efficiency and capability of the brain we already have. By understanding and nurturing our brain's existing potential, we can continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and achievement. Section 6. 100% reality. Celebrating the brain's full potential. Here's a truth more profound than any myth. You're already using 100% of your brain. Every thought you have, every sensation you experience, every memory you recall, and every decision you make, all these processes are a testament to the incredible capabilities of your brain. It's a complex organ that works tirelessly, managing everything from your heartbeat to your most intricate thoughts. Every action you take is a testament to your brain's full capacity. When you solve a complex puzzle, engage in deep conversations, or even when you dream, your brain is operating at its full potential. It's constantly active, processing information, making connections, and adapting to new situations. This continuous activity is what allows you to learn, grow, and thrive. The 10% myth is just that, a myth. This misconception has been perpetuated for years, leading many to believe that they are not utilizing their brain's full potential. However, modern neuroscience has debunked this myth, showing that virtually all parts of the brain have some known function. Even when you're at rest, your brain is still active, maintaining your body's essential functions and preparing you for future tasks. It's a misconception that diminishes the awe-inspiring reality of the human brain. The truth is far more fascinating. Your brain is a marvel of nature, a highly efficient and adaptable organ that is always working, always learning, and always evolving. It has the ability to rewire itself, to heal from injuries, and to adapt to new challenges. This neuroplasticity is what makes the human brain so unique and powerful. Embrace the fact that your brain is a marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible complexity and beauty of the human body. It's not just a static organ, it's dynamic, constantly changing and adapting. Every new experience, every new piece of information, and every new challenge helps to shape and mold your brain, making it stronger and more resilient. Operating at peak performance every moment of your life. Whether you're working, playing, or resting, your brain is always active, always engaged. It's a powerhouse of potential, capable of amazing feats of creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. So, celebrate your brain's full potential, and remember that you are already using 100% of this incredible organ. Embrace its power, nurture its growth, and marvel at its endless possibilities. Section 7. The Brain Symphony, a marvel of complexity and efficiency. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each instrument plays a unique role, contributing to the harmonious whole. The brain is similar. Different regions specialize in specific functions, from language processing to motor control. These regions don't operate in isolation. They communicate constantly, exchanging information through a complex network of neural pathways. This intricate interplay allows us to perceive the world, think critically, and experience emotions. Section 8. Fueling the engine energy demands of a 100% brain. The brain is a hungry organ. It consumes a disproportionate amount of energy compared to its size. This energy fuels the constant firing of neurons, the transmission of signals, and the maintenance of its complex structure. If we were to magically increase brain usage beyond its current capacity, the energy demands would be astronomical. Our bodies simply couldn't sustain it. The brain's efficiency is a testament to its evolutionary success. Section 9. Beyond the myth. Appreciating the brain's true power. The 10% brain myth, while debunked, offers a valuable lesson. It reminds us of the brain's vast potential and the importance of nurturing our cognitive abilities. While we may not be able to unlock hidden percentages of our brains, we can certainly strive to learn, grow, and expand our knowledge and skills. The brain is incredibly adaptable, capable of forming new connections and rewiring itself throughout our lives. Section 10. The Future of Neuroscience, Unlocking Further Mysteries. Neuroscience is a rapidly evolving field. With each passing year, we gain a deeper understanding of the brain's intricate workings. New technologies and research methods are constantly emerging, allowing us to probe the depths of this complex organ. While the 10% myth may be debunked, countless mysteries remain. Unlocking the secrets of consciousness, memory, and perception will continue to challenge and inspire scientists for generations to come. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the wonders of the human brain. The human brain is a marvel of evolution, a testament to the power of nature's design. Over millions of years, it has developed into an organ of immense complexity and capability, allowing us to think, feel, and interact with the world in ways that are truly extraordinary. It's a complex, efficient, and endlessly fascinating organ that allows us to experience the world in all its richness and complexity. From the simple act of reading a book to the intricate movements required in sports, our brain is at the center of it all, processing information, making decisions, and coordinating actions with incredible precision. Let's discard the 10% myth and embrace the reality. Our brains are already operating at full capacity, orchestrating the symphony of our lives. Every thought, every emotion, every action is a result of the brain's intricate network of neurons working in perfect harmony, much like a conductor leading an orchestra to create a beautiful piece of music. The true wonder lies not in unlocking some hidden potential, but in appreciating the remarkable capabilities we already possess. Our brains are not just organs, they are the essence of who we are, enabling us to connect with others, solve problems, and create art. By understanding and appreciating the brain's existing capabilities, we can better harness its power to improve our lives and the world around us. So, let's celebrate the wonders of the human brain and continue to explore its mysteries with curiosity and awe.